Good day. I am Ananya Balaji representing Velamar Global School, Mambakam. Today I am going to speak on the topic pollution. This topic is crucial because I have come to know that pollution is the largest environmental cause of disease and premature deaths. Pollution is defined as the introduction of harmful things into the environment. There are many types of pollution such as air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. This cause can be natural or man-made. Pollution causes many diseases like cancer, respiratory problems, and skin infection. It contributes to global warming and disrupts the food chain. As a grade 3 child, I get the help of my teachers to organize workshops about pollution. As a 9-year-old girl, I can reuse paper and turn off the lights whenever I leave an empty room. I'll tell my friends and family to turn off the tap water and use public transport whenever possible. Children like me are the creators of tomorrow. So let us all achieve a healthier future. Thank you.